Hello everyone, this is Hannah Resigno presenting my portfolio reflection and synthesis for Task 3. Overall, my big idea and theme is that teachers must understand and implement the interconnected process of planning curriculum, instruction, and assessment. I also went into the fact that learning is a lifelong and ever-changing process, which has changed constantly over the 7 years that I've been teaching. Right now, teachers must be able to plan a standards-based curriculum, present material through a variety of instructional methods, and determine students' mastery from effective assessment opportunities. My first artifact was Task 2, in which I did an observational checklist and rating scale for a project that I've used for a number of years now in my 8th grade math classroom. What I learned when I was doing my reflection is that I have not used this instructional strategy or this assessment strategy enough in my classroom. I also focused on the fact that higher order thinking skills need to be embedded throughout this project that I did and throughout the classroom in every aspect of it. For Artifact 2, I chose an article called A Process, Not a Test, which focused on everything about formative assessment. Formative assessment is something that I felt very comfortable with, but I still learned a lot while I was analyzing the article. There are 4 critical steps that teachers really need to focus on when using formative assessment correctly. One of the biggest things I focused on was that formative assessment can't happen too little and it can't happen too much. It needs to be very strategic, and the evidence needs to be used to adjust instruction. Artifact 3, I chose 3 different quotes from participation activity number 1. Those 3 different quotes focused again on formative assessment and how to embed that. Super important, which is teacher collaboration, which I focused a lot on in my synthesis and understanding how that's really helped me throughout the years and how I'll continue to use that. And again, higher order thinking skills and how that needs to be embedded in everything in the classroom. Overall, my final thought is that, again, learning is a lifelong, ever-changing process, and this applies to everyone. We want our students to be able to change with the learning, but we also as adults need to understand that we're never done learning. We have to continue to learn, grow, and evolve in our craft to ensure that we're developing well-rounded, critical thinkers who are prepared citizens for the world ahead.